Welcome friends, new lesson about how to catch market reversal. I will show you best places from which market in most cases change its trend or make good and deep pullback. It's a places where you can hold position for a few days, something like that. It's also a places where you can make good and decent money. And also it's a places which you need to know, because many traders open a position when price rise many days in a row, like open sell, but in most cases it's not good. What we will cover today, our structure, market cycles. I will show you places where big players accumulate position and when market always finish its trend, how long trend can continue. I will show you different examples, because sometimes it could be few years, sometimes it could be like a few days. And preconditions for reversal. I will show you exactly places which I personally trade, and I will show you like you will have a price action patterns in what cases price change trend. That preconditions will be in second part of this lesson. That's why you should watch it till the end, because for a start I need to show you reasons why you should follow the market and why and how market built. For a start, when you watch this video, my name is Yuri, I'm author of this video, I'm top trading author. You can open my trading page and you would see strategy which I use there, nearly 70-80% accuracy. The strategy I use on all market, stocks, crypto, FX, it doesn't matter. And also you can use it. Also here below this video in comments you'll find free course for beginners, how to build your step-by-step plan. It's awesome, especially for beginners. Also my friends, smash like button, because when YouTube see good stuff and you see good feedback from you, promote it to other people. For me it's the best feedback. Let's make a deal. After or at this lesson, when you will understand it's useful for you, you smash like button, you subscribe, turn on notification and share it with your friends. That would be the best. Thank you. And if something is not good, you just write to me in comment what should I improve. Let's start. About market cycles, what can I tell you here? As you can see, smart money, institutional investors, publics. As you can see, in most cases when public come into the market, it's too late. In most cases big players already made money, and when public go into the market, big players close their positions. Remember, when price moves fast, it's not like big guys don't open a position at that time. Big guys don't open economical calendar and watch economic data, because they already knew what will be economic data and they already open a position with that forecast. Just for understanding how everything built, I open for you, take a look here, Wikipedia, and you can read about big banks in the world, Wells Fargo. I took biggest US banks, but it would be the same in other countries, in Europe, Japan, in Asia. Total assets, 1.92 trillions of USD. Another bank, Chase Bank. Chase Bank, net income, total assets, 2.62 trillions of USD. My God. Bank of America, Wikipedia, total 2.32 trillions of assets. Remember, all the markets built by big money. Follow big money. You need to follow this big money, and only when you do it, it's at least you have a chance that you will survive in these markets. Because if you open a position and like you think your indicators or that stuff will change the price, no. Only a places where big players can open a position, only that place is important. Only when retails, like big guys will hit stop losses or retails, only such places are matter for all of us, for our trading. That's why at this moment, about how long trends can continue and how trends starts. As you saw, for big players, it's important to accumulate a big position, because just imagine, they cannot open a position in one day. If you have few trillions, you need big size. You need few millions. You need to put few millions into position to make good decent money. And for some big guys, they need to accumulate position for days. Example for you here on gold. Take a look, before every powerful move, take a look that gold were in this phase of accumulation, a phase, a range where big guys can get big volume. Example here, take a look for how many days price were in a range, for how many days price were in a range. That's example for you. That's how all market starts in most cases with good accumulation. And when we speak about market reversal, we need to understand preconditions. In what cases that reversal will happen and in what cases we should trade it. And also that would be my examples. First precondition, that price would stop or will change trend many days. Price moves without any pullback. Example for you here, even that example on a gold. Take a look here. Many days price rose up without any pullback, 3 additional days and powerful drop. Bam. Example here, 1, 2, 3 days without pullback, range, pullback. Few days without any decent pullback, global range. The same here, take a look. Few days without any pullback, only in one direction, and bam. Also, as you can see on a chart, you can find another precondition which calls acceleration and parabolic movement. You should, when you trade, you should have all of them together, because about parabolic movement, when you trade the market and when you have such parabolic movement, what does it mean? That there, in most cases, big guys hit stop losses of retail traders, and at this moment they will not trade. They don't need to open any additional positions. That's the same. When you see that price accelerate and they're like fast, like you can see this candle have 200 pips, 2000 points, and take a look this candle in 300 points, like on 50% bigger. Remember, when that number increase in many times, that means so soon trend will change. Take a look, 465 pips, like this candle bigger than this on nearly 150%, nearly, just nearly. The same, always there would be the same stuff. Take a look also here, how price accelerate at the bottom. There always will be the same stuff. Also take a look, another example for you. When price accelerate, take a look, accelerate here. 600 pips in one candle, 600 pips for FX market. I remember because I was at PC at that time when 667 pips. When price did it. And for me, it was clear understanding that market would change from that point. But how can we trade it? How can we open a position? Why, for example, this candle, also like fast candle, is not such important like this one? Because when I trade, I use key levels together with such preconditions. And together, it works good. Together, when you work with key levels and fast approach without any pullbacks for many days, it's awesome. I'll show you my trades a little bit after that. Take a look, for example, this example, British pound, Singaporean dollar. As you can see, key level, why I use this key level? Because as you can see, it is a place from which price change all of this trend. Also take a look how fast price approach to this key level. How it happened. The same here, take a look how fast price approached to this key level. And take a look, when price after that approached to this key levels, take a look what happened. What really had happened. As you can see here and here, my friends, price accelerate, fast approach, and after that price change its trend dramatically fast. Take a look how price did it from this point and from this point. And why I use key levels together with such preconditions. When price approach to some key level really fast, here is below such key levels a lot of stop losses. And for big players, it's a new fuel, it's a new reason why they can change a trend. And many people scared to open additional position at such levels. And they wait for reversal. Also, many of those who open sell position here, they would close their sell before such key levels. And such key levels for them, when someone close sell, it would be buy. And the same here, before such key level, many of those who open buy here, here, and here, they would close their buy. And when they close their buy, here, it's a new sell. That's how it works, that's how market built, and for me it's the best places, because only at such places you will have good risk reward, you will have risk reward ratio at least in many times bigger. Why once more I use such stuff only when with key levels? Because in such place you can open a position even if you set stop loss below tail. Take a look, even if you set stop loss below tail, like below this is the lowest tail, your risk reward could be 1 to 15. like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Just imagine 6 days. You open a position for 6 days, and you put 1000 USD, and you can get 15k. 15k. Just imagine. That's a power of risk reward. That's the reason why you should always use risk reward ratio in your trading. That's why it's important to catch only such places. That's why, once more, you can catch reversal only when there are good powerful key level. By the way, I have a lesson about key levels, how to build key levels. You'll find below this link in description, lesson about my key levels. Watch it and you will learn how to build key levels. And when you see that price approach fast many days in a row to such powerful key levels, with huge possibilities, that would be pullback or reversal. The same here, price fast, but there is not a lot of days in a row. Take a look here, British pound, Japanese yen example. Even here, when price made real low, take a look. After that, powerful pullback. The same here. Many days in a row, price, as you can see, we have this key level. We also can use this key place, because from this place price made a re-high. Also, it's higher body pullback from which price made relow. Take a look. After this accumulation, what had happened? After this accumulation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days without any decent pullback, price rose. And take a look. After that, at the finish, price accelerate. And after that acceleration, take a look what happened. Deep pullback. Remember, when something rose up so fast, the huge possibilities, that would be really fast pullback. Another example for you, let's open some of my trades. I'll show you real examples. Those of you, by the way, write in comment below this video. For me, it's interesting to see who watched this lesson, because I think this lesson will have like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it's like second part. Write in comment about yourself. For me, it's interesting to know what people watch such lesson till the end. So just really awesome. Like, write your name, where you're from, and what are you looking in trading. Maybe if you will have good question, I will help you. Example for you, when price accelerate really fast to some key level, take a look. Silver, powerful key level, and take a look. After that, on daily chart, price accelerate, and take a look how accurately it bounced from that key level. I think for us, it would be better to open silver here. You would see it's exactly on real chart. Powerful key level, from which, as you can see, mirror level, many daily candles bounced. And what happened here? Take a look on this first reaction. Yes, after that, as you can see, price broke it, but take a look on this reaction. What happened with that reaction? A few seconds. I would like to set alerts here. It's important. And take a look how beautifully it was a reaction. Accelerate. Do you see that price accelerate? It is 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, price rose up nearly 2 USD. For silver, 2 USD, it's nearly 8%. It's huge amount. It's and after that, take a look on this powerful down drop. That's example for you how accelerate and price moves many days without any pullback. And you can see here, many days without pullback. As you can see, always price finish its trades with good, deep, powerful candles. Even here, take a look. After this paranormal candle, what happened? Deep pullback. Also here, 1, 2, 3 days, and after that market changed completely. The same way here, as you can see, market accelerate, and after that, first reaction, as you can see here, was this deep pullback. It was really deep pullback, because here I made really good money. Another example for you of trade which I did when price accelerate really fast, it was Australia, New Zealand. Take a look. This historical key level, it was a low. And after that, as you can see, this, let's open Australia and New Zealand, and you would see that entry, Australia, New Zealand. When you build a key level here, you could see on daily chart what had happened here. Take a look on this daily candle, this last daily candle, which hit key level exactly. Take a look, my friend, nearly 300 pips. At this moment, average daily move on this instrument, 72 pips. There were 300 pips. 300 pips, it is 300 pips, 72 pips. It is in 4.16 times bigger. Just imagine these numbers. And another example of a trade which I did, it was on Canadian. Take a look at this weekly high and price accelerate. Take a look on this daily candle really fast. And after that powerful down drop, risk reward here were 1 to 7. Another example, gold entry. Take a look at this paranormal candle and price hit this candle. And after that, I open that position. It's only examples for you. When you will use this strategy, you can trade. This strategy works the best on a FX market. To be honest, on a FX market, it's the best. When you will use it, you will see how market do all of this stuff really accurately. Remember, let's summarize this lesson. When price accelerate, huge possibility that there would be reversal. If price rose up slowly, example like on a gold. Remember, when you have something like this, up price pullback, with such structure, price can move for many days, for many months. Remember, always acceleration and parabolic. At the end, it means the trend would finish so soon, and you have a possibility to open accurate entry. And once more, why I always put a key level here in the front? Why? Because with key levels, you will have low predictable risk. Because at this moment, when you open a position here, it's hard to say from which point price can change its trend. But when you have good, powerful key level, and you have that price moves many days without any pullback and hits that level on like double or triple ATR, huge possibility that there would be reversal. That's why, my friends, once more, below this video, you'll find a link on my lesson about key levels. Watch it and learn how to build key levels. Also, write a comment, was it useful? If yes, write what exactly was useful to you. Smash the like button because it will help me to promote this lesson. Also, share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions or you have something to propose that I need to do something better, you can write here in comments and I will do it. Thank you for your time. Bye.